Hello friends, today the value of one Dogecoin is around $0.33. Today in this video, I will share one of the easiest methods to mine Dogecoin on your PC. And I will share with you how I did this just yesterday. So you can mine on your PC in a super easy way and start earning some Dogecoins while you are sleeping. But before we start, welcome to our channel and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you will be notified. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. Stay tuned and follow up. Without wasting time, let's see how we can mine Dogecoin and easily gain Dogecoin on our PC. Yet before this, I know some of you are beginners and possibly don't understand what Dogecoin is, what a cryptocurrency is, and what mining is. So just in 1 minute, I want to discuss the concept of cryptocurrencies and mining in a simple method. When you intend to send out a payment for someone, as an example, you are purchasing something online and you wish to pay through your credit card. What happened is that the payment will go through a third-party service like a government and the bank accounts and so on. Currently, what happened is that in 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto invented something called the blockchain. This blockchain permits you to do peer-to-peer transactions or peer-to-peer connections. So, without the requirement of any third parties, governments and banks, you can send out money directly from one person to another. However, this money will not remain in dollars or euros because dollars, euros or whatever are managed by banks, governments and countries. So, you need something, a currency that works on blockchain. Right here, cryptocurrency comes. The cryptocurrency is merely the currency that works on blockchain network where you can send it out straight from one person to another without using any third parties. I think the idea is somehow simple. How to earn cryptocurrency or what validates cryptocurrency? You know, in countries and governments, they put gold so they can print money. You know this. I think now in cryptocurrency, we put as opposed to gold and we placed power, electricity and sources to get and make more cryptos. How this occurs? By a process called mining. Mining is simply fixing a crypto hash. Don't worry about the technical stuff. Just recognize the general concept. When we mine, we are placing our resources, our PC sources, CPU, GPU, our electricity and fixing some hashing equations to earn and get rewarded with cryptocurrencies. So the simple formula is we mine and we earn cryptocurrency. We have Bitcoins, Ethereums, a lot XRP and Dogecoin. So this is the concept in general. Now, without wasting more time on concept, let's go directly into my computer and see exactly how quickly we can mine and gain Dogecoin. How to sell them later and make some money quickly from your home. The first step you will do is to open your browser and go to this website unmineable.com. The second point you are going to do is go to the download section and then go down. You can see these two buttons. Don't press on them. Right click and press on save link as and go to your desktop and download the app The Miner. Alright, it will take a couple of seconds or minutes depending upon your internet connection. After you download The Miner, you will go and open it. Let's go here, show in the folder. I have this zipped file. I will mine it and open up The Miner super easy. Now, one note that mainly all the miners will be detected with antivirus as there are some virus. So, you have to turn off your antivirus if you wish to utilize the miners or use another PC. If you desire to mine, if you have an old laptop, whatever you want, but you have to turn off the antivirus. You can see here I turned off my antivirus. To run the application, click on continue and now it will certainly ask you if you intend to mine using CPU or the graphics card. Now below, it depends upon your PC spaces. If you have a good PC with a good graphic cards like Nvidia or RTX or whatever, you can utilize your GPU. If you have a little old laptop, you can still have all this, then check your CPU mining. Currently, in my case, I will utilize GPU mining. But it's okay. Make use of whatever you feel and it's comfortable with your hardware. I will go with GPU. Choose next and tell you to enter the token or the coin you want to mine. In my case, I will mine Dogecoin. As you can see, you can select all these coins below like Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Ethereum, whatever. I will certainly go with Dogecoin for this video. Now the second point is you need to enter your address. What the address is? It's just like your wallet, where you will get the money or where you will undoubtedly get the coins in. Exactly how to get that address? You require to create a Dogecoin wallet. How? Let's see together. So tip number 2 is to install and create a Dogecoin wallet. Once more up, one more tab and going to dogecoin.com, open this website. Go to Get Started Now section. After that, go below as well as click on the wallet section to choose a wallet. You will see we have two kinds of wallets, Multi-Doge and also Dogecoin Core. If you read this, it will tell you that Multi-Doge is a light wallet and also it's not preferred for mining. So make sure to download the Dogecoin Core. Select your version like Windows 64-bit or 34-bit. Click here, download it and also install the application. It's very simple. After that, you need to open it and undoubtedly open something like this one right here, Dogecoin Core. You can see it right here. You need to get the address. How? Click File, Match Receiving Address and you see this is your address right here. I will certainly copy it and go again to the miner below. Paste your address, press on start and the miner will start mining Dogecoin now. If you desire, you can go here to unmineable once again to address and then paste your address below. You will see your balance and when you get 3 Doge, you can press on pay currently to pay the Dogecoin. Somebody will possibly ask, alright, I don't intend to collect Dogecoins and trade and wait for it to expand and more like Bitcoins and whatever. I wish to sell it straight. So, exactly how to sell Dogecoins? You have different websites to do this. I will certainly share with you 2 websites. Number 1 is called anycoindirect.edu right here. And you can sell your Dogecoins. Another website is called kraken.com right here. Additionally, you can create an account, verify it as well as begin selling your Dogecoins. I don't want to waste time currently by creating an account and pressing sale and attaching my bank account and more. I assume that idea is very easy and clear on how to mine a Dogecoin on your PC. You can see the miner has started working the existing hash rate around 91.14 or whatever. If you go to settings, you will undoubtedly see we can choose between low and high intensity. You can select low and it will mine in the background while you are working. But at night, you can set it to high and it will automatically start making use of all the sources to hash more and mine even more and earn even more Dogecoins on your computer. The hash rate and the amount you gain depend on your PC sources and your computer specifications, like just how much CPU you have, how much hardware, just how much VGA you have or graphic cards and so on. Yet you can test this by yourself PC and see if it fits you and it's useful for you. Possibly you can make several dollars each day or each week. It's okay. Try it and let me know in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you get some value out of this video and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Hit the like button, share this video with other people and I will see you in some of my following videos.